Welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the Figma interface. If you're new to Figma, this guide will help you understand all the key features and tools available to you. Let's get started. Figma is a powerful design tool known for its user-friendly interface and robust feature set. When you first log in, you'll land on a dashboard where you can access all your projects and files. Let's start with the dashboard. Here, you can see your recent files, project, and themes. On the left sidebar, you'll find here some options to create a new files, view your drafts, and manage your themes. The New File or Design File button at the top right allows you to start a new design quickly. So if you're going to click on that button, it will open a blank canvas. And this canvas is your primary workspace where all your design elements will come together. At the top of the canvas, you'll find the toolbar. This is where you can access all the basic tools you need for designing. Let's take a closer look at each tool. The Move tool, represented by the cursor icon, allows you to select, move, and resize elements on your canvas. Simply click and drag to reposition elements. Next is the Frame tool. So here on the Frame tool, it lets you create frames. Frames act as containers for other design elements and are essential for structuring your designs. The Shape tools include options like rectangle, line, ellipse. Use these tools to create basic shapes that you can then customize and combine to build more complex designs. The Text tool allows you to add text to your designs. Click on the canvas and start typing to add a text box. And you can adjust font, size, color, and other properties in the right-hand panel. And the Pen tool. Pen tool is for creating custom shapes and paths. Click to add points and click and drag to create curves. This tool is great for more intricate designs. On the left side of your interface, you'll find here the Layers panel. This panel shows us hierarchical view of all the elements in your design. You can group, lock, hide, and rename layers to keep your work organized. On the right side, you have the Properties panel. This dynamic panel changes based on what you have selected. Here you can adjust settings like size, position, color, opacity, and more. Below the Layers panel, there's the Assets panel. This is where you can manage components, styles, and assets. So components are basically reusable design elements that help you maintain consistency throughout your project. So here, as you can see, you'll find all your components. Now, Figma also includes powerful prototyping features. If you're going to click on the Prototype tab in the Properties panel to start linking frames and creating interactive prototypes. You can define interactions and animations here. And one of the Figma's standout features is real-time collaboration. Click the Share button at the top right to invite others to your file. You can see their cursors and edits in real time, making teamwork seamless. And to speed up your workflow, Figma offers many keyboard shortcuts, for example, pressing R. By selecting the Rectangle tool, pressing T selects the Text tool, and holding spacebar activates the Hand tool for panning. Familiarize yourself with these shortcuts to work more efficiently. And that's it. You've now learned how to navigate the Figma interface. Understanding these basics will help you become more comfortable and efficient in Figma. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.